The security landscape is changing fast, and 2024 will bring new challenges. Stay informed and be prepared. Let's explore the top 5 emerging security threats and how to stay ahead. First, cyber-physical attacks are on the rise. These attacks target infrastructure like power grids and transportation networks, leading to significant disruptions. Imagine a hacker breaching a water treatment facility or causing a citywide blackout. The impact on daily life and safety is immense. Protecting these systems is crucial. Next, drones are becoming more than just a hobby. They can be used for unauthorized surveillance, smuggling contraband, and even carrying out attacks in conflict zones. Picture a drone capturing sensitive information or dropping explosives. The threat is real, and staying ahead means investing in drone detection systems and updating regulations. Insider threats are growing. These come from within an organization, often from trusted employees who misuse their access to sensitive information. Think of an employee leaking confidential data or sabotaging systems. The damage can be severe. Continuous monitoring and regular training are key to preventing these threats. Advanced Persistent Threats, APTs, are sophisticated attacks where intruders remain undetected for long periods, often targeting government and corporate networks. Imagine a hacker lurking in your network for months, stealing sensitive data. Network segmentation and continuous monitoring are essential to defend against APTs. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a double-edged sword. While it helps in threat detection, it also makes attacks more sophisticated and harder to detect. AI can enhance security systems by analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying threats quickly. However, attackers can use AI to automate and improve their attacks too. Consider AI-enhanced malware or automated phishing campaigns. These AI-driven attacks are more effective and harder to defend against. Staying updated on AI developments is crucial. Mitigating these threats requires a comprehensive and adaptive security strategy. Protecting against cyber-physical attacks involves robust cybersecurity measures and regular training. To counter drone threats, invest in detection systems, stay updated on laws, and develop response protocols. For insider threats, conduct background checks and engage employees. Defending against APTs involves network segmentation and using threat intelligence services. Continuous monitoring helps identify suspicious activities promptly. AI-driven security tools can improve threat detection and response, but it's vital to ensure these systems are used responsibly and transparently to maintain trust. Ethical considerations include addressing biases in AI models and being transparent about AI's use in security operations. Regular audits can help ensure fairness. Staying ahead of emerging threats means being proactive and continuously improving your security measures. Stay informed, stay prepared, and keep your defenses strong.